Here's how to make a delicious Thai fried rice. Start by boiling water. Cook 2 cups of jasmine rice. Set it aside to cool. Heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a pan. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic and 2 sliced chilies. Saute until fragrant. Now, toss in 2 tablespoons of chopped red and green bell peppers, 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander leaves, and 2 tablespoons of chopped celery. Crack in 2 eggs and stir fry until the eggs are fully cooked. Add the cooked jasmine rice to the pan. Pour in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and half a teaspoon of pepper powder. Finally, sprinkle 1 tablespoon of chopped spring onions. Mix everything well and fluff the rice until it's evenly coated with the flavorful sauces. Your Thai fried rice is ready to enjoy.